Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Outlook not sending or receiving emails. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This issue can be really frustrating since it stops you from using your email properly. But don't worry, there are a few simple fixes you can try. First, make sure Outlook is open. Then, click on the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type Task Manager. Open it, search for Outlook in the list, select it, and click End Task. After that, close Task Manager. Now, go back to the search bar, type Outlook, and open it again. In many cases, restarting the app like this can fix the issue. If the problem still isn't resolved, click on the settings icon in the top right corner of Outlook. Then go to Accounts, find the account that's having the issue, and click Manage. Scroll down until you see the Remove option and remove the account. After that, sign back in with your email credentials to reconnect your account. If it's still not working, open a web browser like Google Chrome and search for Outlook. Open the Outlook web version, sign in, and check if you're able to send and receive emails there. If it works on the web, the issue is likely with the app itself rather than your account. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Outlook not sending or receiving emails. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.